There you go. Right, we're on Church Street outside the Black Horse. It's Sunday. I don't know what time it is. It's about 1 o'clock. Anyway, I thought I'd just have a little walk around. Just let you get a feel of the place. For those who don't know Whitby, those who are watching probably know all about Whitby. Probably know more about it than I do. But anyway, let's capture a bit of the sights and sounds. Let's twizzle the camera around, and here we go. We'll have a walkabout.
I'm warming to it the more I'm seeing.
Pontefract. They're from Pontefract. A few steampunks here. The crowds up here. Put your camera up a bit, Simon. That's better. That's better. Honestly, I think there's as many steampunks here as goths. Dogs barking again. Can't get away from them, can you? Wherever I go. Honestly, any video I shoot, there's dogs barking. Vintage market. If you want the horn, you know where to come. Cheap joke. Couldn't help myself. Oh, here's the brownie stall. Double cake brownies. Look at these, mates. Hello. All looking good. Square's busy as ever. She wasn't right friendly, was she? Yeah, I don't mind rude people. I prefer not rude people, but I'll put up with them. Oh, there's a pop-up shop for rent. I don't know what the hell a pop-up shop is. I guess that means you just rent it for a couple of weeks or for an event and chuck your stuff in there and away you go. Bandanas, £1.50. Football shirts, football badges. Everybody having a nice beer, fish and chips. Can't come to Whitby without fish and chips, can you, mates? Just a town full of chip shops. That's what it is, a town full of chip shops. Yeah, you see, some nice frocks. If you come, you can buy your lass a nice frock. Yeah, lovely them. Might get Mrs. M one. Not. Ah, this is quite new. It's been open a little while. A little piece of France in the heart of Whitby. It's called, let's scroll up, Café Montmartre. Or Montmartre. Wherever you're from. Looks lovely inside. Be nice and cheap in there like everywhere else in Whitby. Oh, he's here again. Gonna stand on here and just film a bit.
She was tripping along, and her eyes they shone like diamonds. I called her the Queen of.
Terrific, eh? Victoriana. Have you seen any? Oh, there's a bit of the Fields of the Nephilim look going on here. I've seen them 3 or 4 times in Whitby. Fantastic. Somebody here with a bright yellow wig on. I think it's my mate. Oh, I say, that everybody likes a pretty girl, don't they? Everybody loves a pretty girl. He's got his gimp mask on. Quality. It's only in Whitby you can walk around with a samurai sword in your bag, innit? Oh. 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 Hello. Morning, Lisa. We're just going to walk up here and we'll knock off. So, if you're coming to Whitby, don't forget about this place. It's the old Wesley Hall. It's W. Hammond. It's lovely, beautiful inside. Really, really lovely. Here's the menus. Lunch menu, there you go. And now the evening menu. I'll see if I can give you a little look inside. I've been in before and they don't really mind too much, so they'll probably sling me out this time, but I'll see if they mind. Because it is lovely. Whitby Jet Museum. Let's have a pull. Pull. It's fantastic, doesn't it? Look at that, mates. Can't beat it. Hammond's. I'll have a walk out the back door to film folk. They don't like it. Bit of repairs going on. Lovely place. Used to be an old, they used to sell bric-a-brac. Whoops. Goodness me. That made me jump. Goodness me. Oh, that's fantastic, isn't it? Ben, that's taking some work, isn't it? Does he? It's really good.
He's good.
Yeah.
Go up the task.
Oh, thanks for letting me film. Bye. So we've got a nice seating area out here, and we'll show you up here so you can see the seating out area. You don't want me in the way, do you? No, I didn't think you did. No, exactly. Photogenic.
I never made you think that.
Yeah, I'm not a bad lad for my age. Go on. Photographer's paradise, isn't it? It's mainly the young goth girls who seem to get all the attention. I have no idea why. Anyway, let's have a head count, eh? Here we go. Up we go. Up we go. Yeah, so that Hammond's is really nice. And it doesn't seem to get that busy, but, if you're looking to get a booking, you're wanting a really nice dinner, don't forget about Hammond's. It's really good.